Today I'm reviewing the keychain Minilite ZJ035. It comes with the Type-C charging cable, the unit, which features the Type-C charging port, on and off button. On the other side, it features a transparent cover where you can see the lithium-ion battery, the circuit board. So when you press this, it activates the maximum light mode. When you press it again, sometimes it goes off. When you press it it goes to the minimum setting. And when you press it again, it blinks. When you press it again, it activates the red light. When you press it again, it activates the blinking red light. So this can be good for signaling. If you are in a far location or while camping. So another good feature of this is luminous. So if you use this in the dark environment, it glows because of the phosphorescent surface. Or this plastic inside this case is fluorescent. So this is the hook for the keychain. So this cost about less than $1. So it's very inexpensive, cheap, and definitely I can recommend this for an entry level and cheap gadget for travel or home use. So its illumination is enough to lit or illuminate the dark areas of your house while you are having a power outage. So thanks for watching, and please like and share, subscribe.